Good morning everyone. Today we will explore the topic about carbon footprint, which steps to reduce your carbon impact. First, I will want to highlight what is carbon footprint. A carbon footprint refers to the total amount of greenhouse gases, primarily carbon dioxide, that are emitted into the atmosphere as a result of human activity. Let's move on to the next point.
According to the study, the graph below compares the amount of emissions produced by an individual passenger on a 200-mile trip based on their mode of transportation. For instance, 200 miles is approximately the distance of a flight between New York City and Washington DC. Based on the graph, first, the CO2 released by the car with one pax is the highest one, which is 120. The second one is the plane, which is 109. The third one is the car with four pax, is 30. Next, the train is 26. Lastly, the tour bus is the lowest one, which is 19. Let's move on to the next point.
The effects about air pollution is carbon emissions from vehicles also come with other pollutants such as nitrogen oxide and particulate matter, which degrade air quality. This is cause respiratory and cardiovascular disease, smoke formation, and X-rays, which affect both urban and rural areas. To address this issue, we can follow the ways to reduce your carbon footprint on transportation.
There are 7 ways to reduce your carbon footprint on transportation. For the first one, safe driving, reducing braking frequency and optimize engine efficiency. For the second one, make use of public transport. For example, the average carbon footprint per passenger is lower than that of self-driving vehicles. For the third one, is make use of cycling and walking. For example, shipping process does not create any carbon footprint. For the fourth one is the reduce air travel. Aircraft carbon footprint is the highest of all models of transportation. For the fifth one is to service vehicles properly. For example, improve transportation efficiency. The next one is to make use of carpool services. For example, maximize the use of existing self-driving vehicles. The last one is to drive electric vehicles. The carbon footprint is lower than that of a fuel vehicle over the same distance. Now, let's move on to the conclusion.
In the conclusions, reducing carbon impact is essential to mitigating climate change and its far-reaching effect on the environment, human health, and economies. Key strategies include transitioning to renewable energy, enhancing energy efficiency, adopting the cleaner transportation options like electric vehicles, and implementing sustainable practice in the agriculture and industry. Governments, businesses, and individuals all have roles to play in reducing carbon emissions through policy changes, technology innovations, and lifestyle adjustment. Ultimately, collective global action is necessary to achieve a low-carbon future and safeguard the planet for the future generation. That's all for today. Thank you.